Here we go for the 100th time. Hand grenade pins in every line. Throw them up. Let something shine. All right, what do we got today? I told you Wuben, W-U-B-E-N, flashlights. That's the new one. I just picked this up for a review, and this light is amazing. Before I show you this light, I want to tell you, I've had this for 2 years. This is the Wuben X1, 12,000 lumens. Super bright, super heavy, one button, 4 positions, pretty simple. I'll put a link up there to that review. You need to check that out because that might be the flashlight you really want. Before I get on with the X4, I gotta mention the G5. This thing, smaller than a Bic lighter. USB-C charging. Magnet on the bottom. I mean, it's strong enough to pick up that light. The clip is adjustable, goes around 360 degrees. The light is adjustable. It goes around 360 degrees. It's got a stepless dimmer. That's your lowest setting right there. I think that's about 5 lumens maybe. And then you can turn it up. I'll point it down and away from you so you can see it. And it goes up to 400 lumens. This thing is bright. This little itty bitty thing will light up anything inside your house and anything in your yard. More for this. And it's got a bunch of other features, but I'm not doing a review on this one today because there's a million of them out there already. And let me tell you what all the reviews do. They tell you to buy it. The magic price point, if you can find it, and you shouldn't have a problem during the holidays, it's gonna be around $20 for this. Great gift for yourself and for anybody, stocking stuffers. Look at that. X4, this is what we're here for. What can I say about this? One, look at the size of it. It's a little bit bigger than a Bic lighter. Weighs a little bit more. On the bottom of it, this is where Wuben listens to us. Listen to this. Unlock it, hit that, and look what's in there. A battery that we can change out ourselves. We've been wanting this for years. We've been asking all the manufacturers, give us a battery that we can maintain and replace and change. Wuben did it on this. Then it locks back up. On the bottom, there's also a tactical switch. Tactical switch, on, off. So that's really good for when you're, working or pointing or doing stuff and you want to hold the flashlight like this with a tactical switch. Double tap on it. You get that really annoying strobe that's super bright at 1200 lumens. It's a lot of lumens. Okay, working our way up from the bottom. You got a switch on the side. All the way down is locked. Nothing can turn on. This is how you want to carry it in your pocket or your purse or your backpack. Move it up one level, and now you're accessing the side light. This little bar right here is a side light. Push the button on the side, it goes into RGB. Push and hold, there's your side light. And it's got a wheel on the side too, right there. Watch this. It just got bright. Don't want to shine it on you because, so there's your wheel. How do you know you get to the highest or lowest setting? It'll blink once. Now, you like the RGB colorful colors? I think you push and hold it, push and hold it, push and hold it, and you got the wheel. So we can go from red to purple to green to yellow to violet to ultraviolet to red, back to blue, push and hold it, goes back to your side light. I'll show you this in the dark in a couple hours. That's right, the video's gonna be that long. You move the switch up to forward light. That's this one here. There's 4 LEDs on the front. It's got all kinds of different little things on there for illumination and diffusion and whatever. Hit the button on the bottom, the tactical button. Comes on at the 1200 lumens, or double tap it, and there's your strobing effect. Hit the round button, the little soft button there. It starts out low. There's your dimmer. Bring it up, bring it up. Saw it blink? That means it's full bright. Go back down. Blink again. That's all the way low dim. Look at that. Now, here's what's cool. There's one more setting. It's called the moonlight. All you get on the moonlight is this. I think it's about 5 lumens. Very low. From either button. That's going to be good for like if you're reading a book in bed and your parents don't know you're up. And that's it. It's pretty cool, pretty neat, pretty heavy. Everything you want. Side lights, forward lights. Here's where this is going. This is going on my Bronco, the tailgate table, which is metal. It's got magnets, so I can use this to see when I'm cooking at dark, in the dark, at the camp. And it's got this little clip where if I want to hook onto the molly of it to secure it. But that's where this is going to be. Here's my deal. You're right at camp, it's dark. Put your X4 into the side light mode. Right like that. Not a whole lot of light. Dim it up. And the magnet. Table down. And like this. So, because of the magnet, I could place it over here to light up all that. I could put it over here. I could put the magnet here and face in, but what I'm thinking is going to really look best, boom, look at that. Look at that, boom, 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 boom. So I can cook, I can clean, do whatever I need to here, and that is right there. I love it. That's where the light's going to work best for me. Take it off. While I'm taking it off, I can clip it onto my shirt pocket because this shirt has a pocket. That, my friends, is the side light. Okay, look at this. Perfect place for this is like right there. That's where I'm gonna keep it. All right, let's see if we can do this outside in my backyard. So let's start out with 400 lumens. I'll turn the. There's 400 lumens from the G5. That's the back of my garage. That's the ground, so that's the spot that you get. Not bad for something smaller than a big lighter. There you go. Now you see a difference. 1200 lumens. That's my house. That's the the ground right below us. Trees with no leaves, and all the way out down that way. Now, you ready for a big one? Look at this. Let's go 12,000 lumens. No, yeah, 12,000 lumens. Boom. Look at that. That's the X1. That's lighting up everything in a flood. Crazy, huh? All right, so what would I do if I was you? That thing is so small. This is such a cool flashlight. This thing is such a powerful flashlight. This thing here does everything at the levels that you're going to need it to do it. I would go to Wuben.com first and start looking at the prices and shipping. And then I would wait till Black Friday, the Friday after Thanksgiving. And I'd come back to Wuben, check out their deals, and then I would do the same thing on Amazon, and then I would buy all 4 of those things on the table. All right, man. Good luck. Let me know what you do. See ya.